difference.
Hey, what's up everyone, my name is Maximus Arana and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I've noticed recently that all my content has become repetitive and I'm sorry about that because I wrote about in the about section of my channel that this channel is based on teenage lifestyle, teenage fashion, teenage hair, teenage problems and everything related to a teenager and your life in high school and college. But what I noticed is that majority of my content is saturated with hair and skin videos and I felt really bad about it and I haven't made a single video on fashion yet. So here I present to you outfit ideas for teenagers in high school and college, and if that sounds interesting, let's jump right into this video. And yeah, before that, follow me on Instagram. It's at Maximus_Arana. I post every day on Instagram and my content is super cool and the outfits I wear there are awesome. So you get some outfit inspiration. So, okay, without further delay, let's jump into this video for real. Also keep in mind, I don't buy expensive clothing which are in trends because trends always, come and go. It's always about the next thing. Same goes with hype fashion. It is always about the next thing. Like, you have the most trending piece of clothing right now, but it's going to be useless after a month or so because that kind of fashion is always about the next thing. So it's better you focus on buying stuff which are essential for you, like which you can mix it with jackets, properly color block it, and once you learn about how to design your outfits and all, like with practice you'll get that. So before I go with outfit number one, I'm telling you, they are the things you need to buy next time you go for shopping. Are essential tees: white, black, grey, navy blue. Yeah, these four. Right now I'm wearing on grey because usually with denim jackets are on white and black. This time I tried checking out grey, and this is a long sleeve one, if you can see. I don't know, this is so weird doing this in front of the camera, but it's a long sleeve one. And as for jackets, you can buy a leather jacket, a bomber jacket, or a camouflage jacket, a baseball jacket, a denim jacket. These are 5 jackets you need, or yeah. And remember, most teens always have a lot of streetwear, but you also need to have a good formal outfit. Like, I would say go for navy blue instead of black, or if you can buy both, buy black and navy blue, and if you have extra money you can buy a grey suit. Why I'm saying navy blue is because it's kind of versatile like black, and navy blue in the dark, if you look at navy blue suits, they look like black suits, so it's kind of versatile. That's why I own a navy blue suit. Outfit number one is a denim jacket, a white tee, a half sleeve white tee. So I wore on a light blue denim jacket, so for that outfit I wore on light blue denim jeans. And as for shoes, I wore on Converses. So if you guys do not own a white or black Converse, you can buy a shoe which looks similar to Converses, like high heel shoes. Like you get that in the market. So if you cannot buy a Converse, buy something which looks similar to Converse, and that will look pretty good. Okay. Moving on to outfit number two, and before moving on to outfit number two, always wear on a watch. Like, this is the watch I'm wearing on right now. You can see it. I don't know. Always wear on a watch, put some scent, because you guys wear on super cool clothes, but sometimes you forget watches, forget doing your hair. But I've got you covered on hair and skin, so that's okay. But wear on a watch, wear socks, apply some perfume, and you're good to go. And don't go out without a smile. Smile, show your teeth, white teeth. If your teeth are yellow, you got some work to do. Okay, outfit number two. Outfit number two is a navy blue suit, a full formal attire. As I spoke about it earlier, you should own a formal outfit. So as you can see, this is it. You got what I'm saying, right? This is what, by seeing this picture, you got what I'm saying, that this is the outfit I'm talking about. So your second outfit idea. Number 3, we are again working with a white tee. And this one is with a camouflage jacket. So if you do not own a camouflage jacket, you can use a bomber jacket instead, or a baseball jacket, or you know, those super cool high school basketball base. That's what I said, right? You can wear them on. Those would look good with this too. So I personally feel like a camouflage jacket looks cooler than baseball jackets, but you know, mix and match whatever jackets you own. No one owns like the same type of jackets, so yeah. Outfit number 4 is a leather jacket with a white tee inside. This is a grey tee though, but in the picture there's a white tee. So that's what I'm talking about. Buying these small white tees, black tees, grey tees, navy blue tees save you a lot of money. See, it goes along with every outfit, and a white tee is the most versatile clothing I've ever seen. Like, correct me if I'm wrong, because like whenever I'm out of options, I just wear a white tee and a jacket, a white tee, a flannel. I'm done. That's what white tee is awesome. So if you want a white tee, you can just one white tee. No one will come to know, but you can mix and match with many outfits and look like $1 million. So as for this 4th outfit, I've worn a leather jacket, a good black color watch, which looks, you know, kind of greaser type. So this is a greaser look, you know. And down I've worn black color jeans and white color shoes with some kind of design. But I did a small mistake with this outfit. I wasn't sure that I'd wear a leather jacket and go, so I didn't wear boots. So don't do the mistake I did. It still looks good with this outfit. You can, what am I doing with my hands? Why are they itching? So you can wear on boots instead of that. And you know, you should always mix and match with your outfits. The more you dress up, the more you plan your outfits, the more better you get at it. So over here, you know what I mixed it with? I wrapped an overshirt around my waist and it looked pretty cool. So once you become a professional, I'm not calling myself a professional, but once you keep mixing and matching outfits, you start to get better at them. And as you dress up daily to go for an event or something and plan your outfits, you really do get better at them. What am I saying? Let's move to outfit number 5. Outfit number 5 is a polo neck with spectacles. That gives a kind of a Steve Jobs vibe, and that's what I meant for this picture, as you can see here. So, and follow my Instagram because I post all of these pictures on Instagram, and you love my Instagram feed. Reminding you again. Okay, so I went for a Steve Jobs vibe in this. For this picture, I wanted to give a kind of a Steve Jobs vibe. It was inspired by Steve Jobs. So as you can see, I've got a polo neck and down, you know, jeans and brown color shoes. Sometimes I like to wear brown color shoes, they look good. So that's his outfit. Is super. I'm sorry, it's winter, I have a cold. That's why I'm speaking so weird today. I don't know what's happening. So you got this outfit, right? A polo neck, spectacles, jeans, brown color shoes. You're done, and good socks. The jeans which I was wearing in this was a bit too long for me. That's why I cuffed it up. So whenever you see some mismatches in your outfit, or your your clothing is too long, you can always bend it and fix it. Outfit number 6 is a white hoodie. This is not a white tee this time because I got tired of wearing a white tee, so I sometimes switch it up. So this is a white hoodie and a black color denim jacket. Yeah, there you go. You got the outfit. And down I'm wearing black color jeans and Converse, as you know. Oh, I think in this one I wore boots. I haven't clicked the picture of my legs in this, but I'm pretty sure I wore boots. I don't know, but yeah, I wore boots, and now I remember it. I sometimes feel I should script my videos because I just write the title about the video I have to shoot, then I gather key points. I don't write like most YouTubers. They about the key point, they write some details, like information about it, and then that's the script. But I don't. My scripts are like the key points. Like for this video, I wrote the outfits, and I'm just talking about those outfits as an extemporary speech. Like it's an impromptu speech. So I should start scripting videos now because this is just gonna happen like this video. I don't know what I'm speaking, and whatever I'm speaking is right. It's good information, but the thing is like I'm going here and there, so I need to stay focused. And that's why you need a script. It's pretty important. Okay, now it's outfit number 7, I guess. Okay, outfit number 7. Outfit number 7 is a denim jacket with white fluffs over here and a white tee inside. I don't know, I'm not sure whether we're on a hoodie or a tee. I wore on a tee. As you can see in this picture, I wore on a tee. And I forgot about outfit number 6 or 5, I don't know, in which the outfit in which I wore a polo neck. Polo neck. So you can wear on a black denim jacket on top of it, you know, to layer. Now I got the word. I was just thinking on this word the whole video, layering. Yep, I was saying color blocking, all this. So I was thinking like, I'm forgetting one word, layering. So always remember like to bring more versatility in your look. Like if you're going to a certain place every day and people say, oh, this dude is wearing on the same thing again and again, he's mixing and matching it. So layering always helps. Like sometimes when my leather jacket and white tee look becomes too common, or my denim jacket or white tee look. So this time I wore on a denim jacket and a grey tee, but I wore on a oversized, not an oversized, but an overshirt on top of it, and it was a good layer. Yep, so you definitely need to perfect yourself on layering. It can save you a lot. So a quick tip, you know. Outfit number 8, which is the last outfit, is a flannel with black and white checks and a white tee inside again. Oh my god, this is too much. Another outfit with the white tee, but you know, white tees are versatile. It's the most used item in my wardrobe, a white tee. So this is an oversized flannel, but it's not an oversized flannel, it fits me. You can call it an overshirt, and a white tee, black jeans, and white sneaker. I don't know what should I call it, man. These look similar to Air Jordans. Like people always tell me like, bro, did you buy Air Jordans? No, these are not Air Jordans. These are shoes worth 2,000 rupees which I bought from Westside. Westside is an awesome store and I buy all my clothes from there. This is not sponsored at all, but yeah, I buy 80% of my clothes from Westside. Yeah. Okay guys, if you found this video helpful, I'm sorry I was fumbling. I was just losing track of words in between. It's night time and I'm a bit drowsy and sleepy and itchy. Yeah, but if you want content like this, smash the like button. Tell me in the comment section if you want more content on fashion, because I'm going to be ditching hair and skin content. I'm just joking. I'll still be making the content on hair and skin. Yeah. And did I go too far away? Oh my god, I went just too far away. Now I'm close to the camera. Otherwise I just like went drifting, yeah. I don't know. This video seems way off, but yeah, this is a natural me, without any scripting, just coming and blasting myself in front of the camera. I don't know if most of you guys made it till the end of the video, because I'm cringing out at this point. Okay. I'll see you guys in the next video, but before that, like, subscribe if you haven't, follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!